Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix cannot add cards. Payment cards are not supported for this account. So guys, if you're facing this problem on your device in your iPhone, so guys, if you're facing this problem while adding a card in your wallet, in your iPhone or other device, and you're facing this pop-up again and again, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So first of all, go back to your home screen, and from here open the settings, and from here tap on your Apple ID, and from here tap on sign in and security. So as first of all, you will have to change the password for your Apple ID for one time. So guys, enter your passcode for your device. Wait for some seconds, and from here simply change the password for your Apple ID for one time. So guys, after this go back, and from here you have to sign out your Apple ID for one time in your device. So guys, again open your profile, scroll it below and tap on sign out. So guys, simply give here your password and sign out your Apple ID, and then force restart your device for one time. So guys, you have to simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So I simply force restart the device, and after this add your Apple ID again in your device, and after this scroll it below in the setting and tap on wallet and Apple Pay. So as from here you have to tap on add card again. So guys, wait for some seconds, and from here you can see you can add a card very easily from here. So as here you can see this, you can easily scan your card to add the card in your wallet. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.